Hello guys, this is Manila Zoo in the Philippines. I've been there weeks ago, and me and my brother went to the Manila Zoo, and we saw these couples of tigers. They are beautiful. I think that was a female tiger who soaked in the water because Philippines is hot weather and they have their pool over there for the tiger so that they can soak if they feel hot. I assume that that was a female tiger, the one soaked in the water, and I assume also that maybe she is pregnant. It's amazing how beautiful they are. Look, I really assume that she she is a female one and pregnant. Look how beautiful the tiger is. It's really amazing. And I like the color of the guy. I mean the the male tiger. I assume it's male. I don't know. I don't know how to look, but I just assume that that was a male tiger. The light color and the brown color is the female one, and it's probably pregnant. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.